Hi students, let us see the exercise 1.7, first sum, first subdivision. Solve the following system of homogeneous equations. They have given to us a homogeneous equation to find the solution for unknowns. 3x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0, 4x minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, 5x plus 9y plus 23 is equal to 0. Here the number of unknown is 3. The matrix form of the system is Ax is equal to O, where A is equal to 3, 2, 7, 4, minus 3, minus 2, 5, 9, 23. First we have to write augmented matrix. 3, 2, 7, 4, minus 3, minus 2, 5, 9, 23. 0, 0, 0. We have to transform this augmented matrix into row echelon form. For that we have to apply elementary row operations on this augmented matrix. R2 gives 3R2 minus 4R1. See, these two terms should become 0. For that 4, this is the second row. Suppose if I am going to multiply this second row with 3 minus 4 R1 means this term it will become 0. 3 R2 minus 4 R1. Like the same R3 3 R3 minus 5 R1. 3, that time 15 minus 15 it will come. 3 R3 minus 5 R1. 3 R2, what is that R2? 4 minus 4 into 3 equal to 0. Here 3 into minus 3 minus 4 into 2 minus 9 minus 8 equal to minus 17. Here 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 7 minus 6 minus 28 is equal to minus 34. Come to 3R3 minus 5R1. 3 into 5 minus 5 into 3 equal to 0. 3 into 9 minus 5 into 2. 3 into 9 minus 5 into 2. 27 minus 10 is equal to 17. 3 into 23 minus 5 into 7. 969 minus 35. 4 34. What we are getting? We have to write the first row as it is. Second row already we transformed into 0 minus 17 minus 34 0 0 17 34 0. We brought below the pivot element other the entries of the first column to 0. Then this term should be 0 na? So R3 gives R3 plus R2. What it will come? 3, 2, 7. Second row you just write as it is. Third row see 0 plus 0 0. 17 plus R3 plus R2. 17 minus 17 equal to 0. 34 minus 34 equal to 0. 0 0. So we brought the augmented matrix into row echelon form. From this, see, in this row echelon form, last bottom row is 0 row. Remaining 2 rows are non-zero rows. So, the rank of this augmented matrix is 2. We have to find the rank of the coefficient matrix, isn't it? So, for that I am going to find the determinant of A, 3 into minus 69 plus 18 minus 2 into plus 10 plus 7 into 36 plus 15. Three minus 15 minus 204 plus 735. 7 5 3 minus plus 357 equal to 0. So less than 3. What is that row of A? Row of A is equal to 2. Row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix is equal to 2. So we have to introduce the arbitrary real number. For that, first we have to write equivalent matrix. 3x plus 2y plus 7z equal to 0, minus 17y minus 34 equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Suppose if you are substituting z equal to t, put z equal to t and we get by back substitution minus 17y minus 34 z equal to 0. In this, it is t is a real number. T belongs to R. Real number means we can write t belongs to R. 34 t equal to 0 minus 17y is equal to 34t. Y is equal to minus 2t. Z equal to t, y is equal to minus 2t. You just substitute these two values in this equation 1. 3x plus 2 into minus 2t plus 7t equal to 0. 3x minus 4t plus 7t equal to 0. 3x plus 3t equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 3t. X is equal to minus t. So, the solution is x is equal to minus t, y is equal to minus 2t, z equal to t. This is the solution for the given question. Let us next we see the second option. Second subdivision, 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 0, x minus y minus 2 z equal to 0, 3x plus y plus 3 z equal to 0. Here the number of unknowns is 3. First, we write the augmented matrix. 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0. We have to reduce this augmented matrix into row echelon form. For we have to apply the elementary row operation on this augmented matrix. See, first I am going to interchange this R1 to R3. Why? Because R2 or R3, whatever it may be, we just transform this R1 into R2, R2 into R1, R1 to R2, R2 to R1. Why? Because it is very easy to do the simplifications. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 2, 3 minus 1, 0, 3130. Okay. Now I am going to transform this R2 into R2 minus 2R1, R3 into R3 minus 3R1. Just to find R2 minus 2R1, R3 minus 3R1. What is that R2? 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 3 minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 5. Minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. R3, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 1 minus 3 into minus 1, 4. 3 minus 3 into minus 2. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. See, 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. Second row we already transformed into 0 5 3 0 0 4 9 0. We have to reduce this augmented matrix into row echelon form. For that we brought these two entries to be 0. This entry should become 0. So R3 gives R3 5R3 minus 4R2. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0 0 5 3 0. We have to transform this now. Whatever it may be, 0 to 0 0. 5 R3, what is that? 5 into 4 minus 4 into 5. It will become 0. 5 into R3 9 minus 4 into R3 45 minus 12 33 it is coming. 33 equal to 0. So we brought row echelon form. We reduced that augmented matrix into row echelon form. Okay. From this we can easily find the rank of augmented matrix. See here 3 non-zero rows are there. So row of augmented matrix is 3. We find the rank of coefficient matrix. For that we have to find the determinant of A. What is that? 2 into minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 6 minus 1 into 1 plus 3. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 9 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 minus 27 minus 4. What we are getting? Minus 33 not equal to 0. So row of A is equal to 3. Row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix is equal to 3. So it has a trivial solution. Thank you.